Hey, it's Morgan from Outdoor Amusement. Jess is currently at a work event, and I'm currently working from home, aka the hotel room at Jess's event. So, this is looking nice. Let me give you a quick tour. The bathroom has French doors. What? Beautiful. Come on in. As you can see, we have the bath and the stand-in shower separate. Big plus. The toilet is separate from the restroom. Big plus there. All right, let me move my little tripod out of here. God, why are hotel chairs so dang heavy? Oh my gosh. Are they made of steel? In here? Oh, you got your bathrobes, baby. You know what? That's a good call. Well, look at that. All comfy now. All right. Done with this closet. Then we move on to the bed. Put these right here. We move on. I see the camera's not following me anymore. Okay, there we go. Now I'm back. Like I was saying, one of my favorite travel YouTubers currently is the Putu. He does a really good job in one of his last videos when he went to Universal's hotel. He did what he calls the punch test to determine how comfortable a bed is.
I like to call this the slap test.
So here I go. Might have been a little more aggressive than what he does, but it felt pretty good. I've already slept on it, so I'm kind of cheating, but it's nice. It works great. It's a comfortable bed. Let's move on to our living room. Here, come with me as we go downstairs. Now that I'm downstairs, you can see this is our living area where we have some extra couches that probably won't be used very often, as well as my work desk and additional TV as some chairs. Very nice. Oh yeah, baby. Let's close it all. It didn't do anything. Let me try it again. Oh, hell yeah. My backpack's there, that's why it's not shut the whole way, but it looks pretty good. Just like any standard hotel room, you also get your coffee table, your two couches, or your two sofas? One person sofas? And then a couch as well. Just in case you wanna, read up on the Las Vegas magazine. You can tell while Jess is at work, I get a little bored. But there's more to do! There's a bunch of lamps. Just alone here, I see 3 lamps that have their own individual light switches. So, you're never short on lights. Morgan, what are you hungry for? I don't know, I'm not really that hungry. Dude, you can't tell me that. I can't make up my mind. You can never make up your mind. Well, whatever you're feeling. Then we're not getting dinner. We're staying at the hotel room. We'll wait for Jess. I guess we'll just wait for Jess. That's fine, whatever.